if you want to make money online, the surest, best way to build a buyer's list is to create your own product. The trouble is that's really, really hard to do, or at least it was hard to do until now. But my friend Dave has come up with a simple system for you to create your own product. And I'm going to show you everything you need to know is coming up in my review of the PLR Monster Building and Monetizing eBooks Newbie to Pro. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Ham. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime, man in the hat.
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, you know by now, just go and skip ahead and don't even bother with my stale dad jokes because they're really, really bad. I know that. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Well, you're new at least, but still the same message over and over again. You and that other guy and Bart, you guys got to really figure this out, okay? Seriously, enough of the crap, okay? Seriously. The way things work here, though, if I like a product, I will give you a tip. My hands a product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And now you see, Liz, she is a sweetheart. She says the same thing every day also, but she's so nice about it. Who can be angry at her? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Frankly, well, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for building and monetizing ebooks. Now, this is from my friend Dave. Dave is one of the biggest names in the industry. He's a very, very well-known product creator. And basically what he's put together here is a course teaching exactly step-by-step how to put together your own products and sell them and do ebooks with them. Now, first of all, the price is insane. It's $9.95. And this is really going to help you out a lot. Plus, it comes with full PLR rights, which means that you have the right to actually sell these as your own, modify them, and he's going to teach you what to do in the course, how to modify them, although I'm going to get to that in my custom bonus also. You can put together your own sales pages. He's going to include all the sales pages, everything you need, he's going to give you in order to start making money with this thing right away. Now, what I want to do for you is like this. I want to give you, first of all, I'm going to give you my custom course where I teach you how to customize PLR and make it your own. So that's number one. But number two, I got something really special for you that I've never, ever done before. So I recently acquired a massive package of high-end stock photos. Now, I know you can get stock photos online. I know you can go to Wikipedia, for example, and get stock photos. The thing is, a lot of them not very good quality. And even if they are good quality, you run a legal risk that they are not stuff that you actually have a right to. Okay, I used to do this all the time. I would go onto Wikipedia, or I can go onto Google Images and go find images. The trouble is, a lot of times they're very low quality, and even when you find something that's high quality, you don't always know for sure. For example, if you go to Flickr, anybody can upload to Flickr. It doesn't matter who uploads it, and Flickr has a policy that says that all their stuff is royalty free. Yeah, well, that's going to do you a whole lot of good when a lawyer comes chasing you and says to you, hey, you got this thing off of Flickr. Well, it belongs to us now, but now pay us $10,000 for the fact that you stole our content. So what I did was like this. I got together a package of high quality images. I have over 1,000 of them that I'm going to give to you. Let me show you real quick what we have over here. So here we go. This is the photos collection. So you can see here, these are all the different types of images that you're going to be getting. There's a lot of different stuff here deliberately so that you can use a lot of different materials in your own content. And I deliberately did this. I wanted to make sure that you'd have a variety of different things. And look how high quality these are. Check out, for example, the food and images. Okay, look at this. This is Gotta double click it again in order for it to load up. Come on. There we go. Check that out. Okay, this is a high quality photo. These are perfect stuff that you can use for actually customizing all the content that you might have available to actually customize them. You get over 1,000 of these images, which means you're basically paying at $9.95 in addition to getting Dave's course with full PLR, which is excellent. You're getting 1,000 images at about a penny or less than a penny each. But pick up any upgrade. Let me check this out. I have my upgrade list right here. This is about 1,700 additional images, okay? And you got all kinds of stuff. Weight loss, for example, very, very popular niche, and it's hard to find good quality images. These are super high-end images, okay? These are not the cheap junk that you can get, you know, from looking online. These are high-quality images, even with people. These are all licensed. You have the right to sell these, use them for your own stuff. Whatever you need to do, you can use these things and actually start making money off of these things. Okay, and you get over 1,700 of these when you pick up any upgrade from me. Sorry, sometimes my computer decides it's not going to load things for me, and I don't know why that is. There we go. So you can see here, these are really high-end images. These are not, you know, the junk, because you can find stuff on Google, obviously. For some reason, that one doesn't want to load for me. I don't know why. But anyway, you can find stuff. Oh, I see. It's trying to load it up over here in my editor. Anyway, but these are high-end images. You're going to get a massive collection when you pick up the upgrade. Pick up the basic package. You're still going to get this this over 1,000 images right here. Now, I also want to show you the members area real quick here. This is the members area. Basically, it's just a download. You click here, it's going to download for you. You can see here that that's all it's doing. It's just going to go ahead and download. I've already opened it up, of course. And you can see here, everything is included for you. So you have all the graphics. You have the source files, which is really important. You can edit these things on a website called Photopia completely for free. You can edit everything. It's all included for you with a full PLR license that you can use for this stuff. Okay, you get all the email swipes to sell these things. Okay, literally everything is included for you. The only thing you're not going to get is all the custom images that you would want to use in order to customize it to make it your own. That's what you're getting from me. Plus, you're getting my guide to actually going and customizing PLR so you make it your own. And the whole business is $9.95. Okay, so let's see if I am going to go ahead and give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, this is awesome. You rock. I love this. This is great. Grab this. You're going to love it.